was a great
Okay,
choice.
staff, here you go. I want you to look at the total right here in my cart so far. Shelly and I are over here doing a good job with the school supplies, um, combining people's lists. So in my budget, I factored that it would be about roughly $8,000. We're at 3,580. That's not including headphones. The snag we're running into is
No,
this.
that's
So I
that
want you
is
to,
bad.
I know,
Oh,
I'm
I
showing them
see.
one screen at a time.
Okay.
Sorry, Shelly is literally talking through my video. And then you guys wanted composition books. This is where we're running into a hefty price tag. Seems as every, nope, I do not believe kindergarten. So first through fifth grade decided to color code with these poly pocket portfolios. Okay, you'll notice the price of $219. Ladies and gentlemen, our budget for parents is $25. So those of you that requested 6 of these in this fashion, that's $12. And then if you wanted them to have matching composition books, that's also another $12. So we only can get 2 things from our parents if this doesn't work. I want you to keep that in mind. You cannot color code with these parents because you will go above the $25 limit. So everybody decided, oh, well, we're turning them into Lori and Shelley and the school's paying for it. Keep looking at those numbers and look at the price tag we now have because everybody wants plastic and we want them color coded. It's $4,788 for plastic folders. My suggestion is, why do you need a folder? I need you to think about that really hard. And could you be open to the possibility of doing something like this? Do you see where the lady has used a filing system? You can go to this post where she's on Scholastic.com organizing. She's tried a little bit of everything. But if you had crates, you could make all of these different fun colors. Yes, everything from orange to teal to black. You can buy file hanging folders, label them that way, and put them on a storage cart for a lot cheaper than these folders that are going to set us back $4,788. Should you choose not to compromise and you still want to color code it with parents, please be warned that your stuff is not going to match. They're going to pick up their version of blue and their version of orange, and they're really just going to pick up black because black's going to be cheaper. So things to think about when it comes to your supply list. We'll talk about them on Wednesday. Thanks so much for your attention.